Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing review and setup on my new Tacoma bed cover. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. So as you can see, me and my dad went ahead and started installing it. This bed cover fits most 2016 to 2024 models. Whether your truck has a deck rail or not, it's made to fit snugly and everything stays secure. The cover does have a trifold design, which means you can open it in sections. This makes it easy to grab smaller items or open up the whole thing when you need full access to the trunk bed. It's really practical for everyday use. One of the best covers is how easy it was to install. You don't need any special tools, just the clamps that it comes with. It only takes a few minutes to set up so you can get to using your truck again. The material I did feel was high quality vinyl, which is strong and durable. It can handle tough weather like rain, snow, or dirt, keeping your cargo clean and protected. You don't have to worry about dust or water ever getting in. Another bonus that I did think is that it does help with gas mileage by reducing wind drag. It makes your truck more aerodynamic, so you save a bit of money at the pump over time. It's a small change that adds up. The cover is a great addition if you want something that's easy to use, keeps your truck bed clean, and helps with gas savings. It's perfect for anyone who uses their truck for work, errands, or road trips. Alright, and this is we actually had it installed. As you can see, it fit perfectly, hugging the edges of the truck bed for a clean and professional appearance. The clamps on the inside hold it firmly, which I'll show you here in a second, so there's no wobbling or shifting even when driving on rough roads or at higher speeds. The cover is durable enough to handle rain and snow, and the vinyl surface is smooth and easy to clean. Just a quick wipe and it's good as new. The trifold design is super convenient in action. As you can see, if you just pull this lever down, you can easily fold it back in sections to access what you need without exposing the entire truck bed. So whether you're grabbing smaller items like your groceries or opening up for larger equipment, this cover makes it quick and easy to adjust. Another benefit of having the cover installed is how secure it makes your truck feel. Even when parked in busy areas, your belongings are safely out of sight, which adds another layer of protection. It's not just practical, but it gives peace of mind knowing that your items are hidden and shielded. If you're someone who frequently carries tools, gear, or other items, this cover not only keeps things organized, but also keeps them protected from the elements. Alright guys, so there you have it. As you can see, we got the bed cover installed on here. Very simple, about 6 pieces total. You can see, very nice, gives it a different look, keeps everything safe in here. And then all you need to open it is this latch right here. See, it pops right up, and you're able to fold it up, ready to go. So if you guys are looking for a new bed cover, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below, highly recommend.